Hey everyone, thanks for joining. So in this video, we're going to go ahead and create a Canvas app that's going to be reusable. This Canvas app is going to integrate with Power Automate so that we can leverage the different expressions that are available to us in Power Automate. And then we'll basically change the way the Power Automate behaves on each video to be able to see how each one of those expressions gives us flexibility in terms of our logic. So let's go ahead and get started by creating the Canvas app first, and then we'll go from there. I'm going to call it Power Automate Expression Tester. Okay, cool. And then the next thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and insert a text input. And we'll just make this text input very large. We'll get rid of the default value, and then we'll add a label. Input expression test. All right. And let's go ahead and bold that too. There we go. All right, very cool. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to add a button. Let's see here. Submit. Okay. And then from here, we have our essential framework of the app. And then what I want to do is just change the background maybe. Let's just give it a fill of, let's see, let's try gray. See how that looks. That looks okay. But it's a little hard to read the text here, so I'll make this white. There we go. So then when you type into this, let's test this out real quick. You can type, okay, I like it. All right, so let's start with this. And let's save it. And then we'll go ahead and create our Power Automate to make sure that we can integrate the Canvas app and the Power Automate based on this one field that's being passed. It's just a string. We can pass a JSON object, we can pass arrays, we can pass all sorts of different things in here. It doesn't really matter. We'll try all sorts of stuff and it'll be a lot of fun. And you'll get to learn a lot about expressions and how to use them to make sure that you can get around your logic and deliver the right experience to your customers. So we've got this app here. All right, we're happy with it. We're going to go ahead and close it. It's going to kick us back to our solution here. We got a bunch of stuff in here already. Looks like we've been productive. So the next thing we'll do is we'll go ahead and create a Cloudflow. It'll be automated. We'll skip this. And we'll call this Power App Input Expression Tester. And it's a Power Apps input, the standard one, not V2. And then for our new step, all we want to do here is we want to initialize a variable for now. We want to give our variable a unique name, and we also want to give our step a unique name. So we could say initialize, but I'd rather just call it expression text. And then in here, I'll call it expression text. And this is going to be a string. And the value, I'm going to have it ask in Power Apps. And then I'll save this. And so now we have our Power Automate job in our solution. We have our Canvas app. Things are looking pretty good. All right. So now let's connect the two. Here's our Canvas app. So let's go ahead and edit this. And as you can probably imagine, what I want to edit is that submit button. I want to make sure that I can wrap that submit button in some logic that runs this Power Automate job and passes context from this button, from this text box to this button to the actual Power Automate job. So what we're going to do here is on the onSelect event, we're going to click Power Automate. It's going to say, which Power Automate do you want to use? It's this one right here. I'm going to click that. And then it just wants the expression text underscore value. Okay, great. I can pass that. That's not a problem. It's a field called text input dot text. That's what we're passing. We can close this. We can close this. We can save, publish, and now they're integrated. All right. So in the next video, we're going to use some sort of expression. We'll start pretty simple, and then we'll start getting more complex as we go. Thank you so much for watching.